What if I told you there's a way to eat delicious fish while controlling your blood sugar levels? It's true. And today we're revealing the 5 healthiest fish for diabetic patients that you should absolutely include in your diet. These fish aren't just mouth-watering. They're packed with nutrients that can help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and boost heart health. From omega-3 fatty acids to lean protein, these fish can help balance your blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these tasty diabetes-friendly options. Stay tuned to find out which fish made the list and why they're the best choices for managing diabetes. Number 5. Cod is often overlooked when it comes to the healthiest fish, but it's a powerful contender, especially for those managing diabetes. This mild flavored fish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that make it a fantastic choice for a balanced, diabetes friendly meal. First off, cod is high in lean protein and low in fat, making it an excellent option for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or manage their blood sugar levels. Protein is crucial for keeping blood sugar steady, as it helps slow the absorption of glucose, preventing spikes. Cod's low fat content also makes it easier on your heart, supporting overall cardiovascular health, especially important for diabetics, as they are at a higher risk for heart disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Cod contains omega 3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that play a vital role in blood sugar regulation. Studies have shown that omega 3s can improve insulin sensitivity and help reduce inflammation, which is often elevated in people with diabetes. By reducing inflammation, omega 3s not only help stabilize blood sugar, but also lower the risk of complications associated with diabetes, such as nerve damage and cardiovascular issues. Cod's rich omega 3 content also makes it a heart healthy option. People with diabetes are at a higher risk of developing heart disease, and omega 3s are known to reduce triglyceride levels, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol profiles. Including cod in your diet can contribute to improved heart health, making it a great choice for anyone looking to take better care of their body. Incorporating cod into your meals is a simple, tasty way to support your blood sugar control, boost heart health, and get in those essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. Whether baked, grilled, or pan-seared, cod is a delicious and nutritious choice for anyone managing diabetes. Number 4, mackerel. Mackerel is one of the most nutrient-dense fish you can include in your diet, especially if you're managing diabetes. This oily fish is not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but also packed with other health-boosting nutrients that make it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their blood sugar control and overall health. One of the most significant benefits of mackerel is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in managing blood sugar and reducing inflammation. Omega 3s help improve insulin sensitivity, which is key for controlling blood sugar levels. For diabetics, maintaining good insulin sensitivity is essential to preventing blood sugar spikes and improving overall glucose control. Mackerel's omega 3s are also excellent for heart health. Since diabetes increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, omega 3s help reduce the likelihood of heart problems by lowering triglyceride levels, improving cholesterol profiles, and reducing blood pressure. Another standout nutrient in mackerel is vitamin D, which is often lacking in many people's diets. Vitamin D plays an essential role in insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar. It also supports bone health, immune function, and reduces inflammation. Since diabetes is often linked to chronic inflammation, the vitamin D in mackerel can help mitigate some of the inflammation caused by the condition. Mackerel's ability to reduce inflammation is another reason why it's a fantastic choice for diabetics. Chronic inflammation is common in people with diabetes and can lead to complications like nerve damage and cardiovascular issues. Omega 3 fatty acids help reduce this inflammation, keeping your body in a better state of balance and potentially lowering the risk of long term complications. By adding mackerel to your diet, you're not only boosting your omega 3 intake, but also supporting your heart, insulin sensitivity, and overall health. It's a win win for anyone managing diabetes. Number 3, sardines. Sardines may be small in size, but they pack a punch when it comes to nutritional benefits, especially for people managing diabetes. These tiny fish are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and vitamin D, making them a great addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. First and foremost, sardines are loaded with omega-3s, which are known to have a profound effect on blood sugar regulation. These healthy fats help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage glucose levels. Omega-3s are also key in reducing inflammation, a common issue for diabetics that can lead to complications like nerve damage and heart disease. By including sardines in your diet, you're not only helping stabilize your blood sugar, but also fighting inflammation from within. In addition to omega-3s, sardines are an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients that are often lacking in many people's diets. Vitamin D is especially important for diabetics because it helps improve insulin sensitivity, which can make a noticeable difference in blood sugar control. Meanwhile, calcium plays a vital role in heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure, which is especially important since diabetes can increase the risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular problems. Sardines also help with lowering triglycerides, a type of fat found in your blood. High triglyceride levels are often seen in people with diabetes and can increase the risk of heart disease. The combination of omega-3s and other heart-healthy nutrients in sardines helps keep your cholesterol and triglyceride levels in check, supporting long-term heart health. Finally, sardines are fantastic for keeping blood sugar levels stable. The healthy fats and proteins they contain slow the absorption of glucose, preventing blood sugar spikes and dips. This makes them an ideal choice for maintaining steady energy throughout the day and avoiding the fatigue and mood swings that often come with blood sugar fluctuations. Whether you enjoy them in salads, sandwiches, or straight from the can, sardines are a simple, nutrient packed way to improve your diabetes management and boost your overall health. Number two, salmon. Salmon is a standout when it comes to fish that's not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for those managing diabetes. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and a host of other nutrients, salmon offers numerous health benefits, making it one of the top choices for diabetics. One of the most notable benefits of salmon is its high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a common issue for people with diabetes, and omega-3s can help reduce this resistance, making it easier for your body to process glucose effectively. By including salmon in your diet, you're supporting your body's ability to maintain healthy blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of blood sugar spikes. Salmon is also rich in vitamin D, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in diabetes management. Vitamin D helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is key to controlling blood sugar levels. Many people with diabetes are deficient in vitamin D, and adding salmon to your meals is a great way to ensure you're getting enough. This vitamin also supports bone health, immune function, and helps reduce inflammation, an issue that can be elevated in individuals with diabetes. Beyond its role in blood sugar management, salmon is also fantastic for overall brain function. The omega-3s in salmon have been shown to support cognitive health, enhance memory, and even help reduce symptoms of depression, something that can be particularly beneficial for diabetics who may face an increased risk of mental health challenges due to fluctuating blood sugar levels. Another key benefit of salmon is its ability to reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is common in people with diabetes, and it can contribute to complications such as heart disease and nerve damage. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe the body and lower the risk of these complications. Incorporating salmon into your diet is a simple and tasty way to manage diabetes more effectively, improve your overall health, and enjoy a delicious meal at the same time. Whether grilled, baked, or served in a salad, salmon is a nutritional powerhouse that supports a healthy, balanced lifestyle for diabetics. Number one, trout. When it comes to diabetes-friendly fish, trout takes the top spot for its outstanding nutritional profile, and it's known for its top-tier omega-3 fatty acids, rich protein content, and heart-healthy nutrients. Trout is an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their diabetes while enjoying a delicious and nutritious meal. First and foremost, trout is an excellent source of omega-3s, the healthy fats that play a critical role in balancing blood sugar. These omega-3s help to improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to process glucose more effectively and helping to prevent blood sugar spikes. For people with diabetes, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial, and the omega-3s in trout can make a real difference in achieving this. Trout is also rich in protein, which is essential for blood sugar control. Protein slows the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue and irritability. It also helps with muscle repair and maintenance, making it an excellent choice for overall health and wellness. In addition to its blood sugar balancing and protein benefits, trout supports heart health. Diabetes is associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, but the omega 3 fatty acids in trout can help lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall cholesterol profiles. These heart healthy properties make trout an ideal choice for managing both diabetes and heart health simultaneously. Furthermore, regular consumption of trout may help reduce the risk of diabetic complications, such as nerve damage and heart disease. The anti inflammatory effects of omega 3s help to lower chronic inflammation, a condition that is often elevated in people with diabetes and can contribute to long term complications. Whether baked, grilled, or pan seared, trout is a nutrient dense, diabetes friendly fish that supports stable blood sugar, a healthy heart, and a strong body overall. Adding this powerhouse fish to your diet can make a significant difference in managing diabetes and improving your overall health. Conclusion: incorporating these five healthiest fish into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to manage diabetes and support overall health. These fish provide essential omega 3 fatty acids, high quality protein, and vitamin D, all of which play a crucial role in regulating blood sugar, improving heart health, and reducing inflammation. Adding them to your meals can make a significant difference in your diabetes management and overall well being, so why not give them a try? Experiment with different fish and enjoy the benefits they bring to your health. Which of these fish do you already eat, and which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more diabetes friendly food tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video.